By the time this meditation is over, you will have shifted your frequency so deeply that a paragraph long text from them tonight isn't just a possibility, it is an inevitability. Stay with me until the very end. We are going to perform an energetic cord pull that triggers their immediate need to reach out. The more you listen to this, the easier and more powerful it will become. Now close your eyes and take a deep breath. Right now, as you hear my voice, the person you are thinking of is picking up their phone. They are typing. They are feeling a magnetic pull towards you that they can no longer ignore. Exhale all the doubt. Inhale your power. Imagine a golden thread connecting your heart center to theirs. Distance does not exist in the realm of energy. Feel their essence. They are remembering your laugh, the way you smell, the way you made them feel. They are looking at your name in their context right now. As you relax deeper, their resistance is melting away. Now repeat these after me, either out loud or in your mind. I am the only choice they see. I am the only choice they see. My energy is irresistible and magnetic. My energy is irresistible and magnetic. They are overwhelmed with the urge to tell me everything. They are overwhelmed with the urge to tell me everything. They are typing a message of love and clarity to me right now. They are typing a message of love and clarity to me right now. I am worthy of the effort, the long text, and the deep devotion. I am worthy of the effort, the long text, and the deep devotion. Now feel the shift. Stop wanting and start having. You aren't waiting for a text. You are receiving it now. Feel the vibration of your phone in your hand. See the notification on your screen. Read the first 3 words of that long paragraph in your mind. How does it feel? Relief? Joy? Triumph? Hold that feeling. This is the frequency that forces the manifestation to land. You have successfully shifted your reality. Now gently come back to the room. The work is done. It is already yours. Now before you go, leave one final affirmation in the comments. They are typing now to signal to the universe that you are ready to receive. Believe it and wait for the notification. Listen to this meditation every day as much as possible. The more you listen to this, the faster it works. But if you want to accelerate this process and make their obsession with you even stronger, I have something special for you. Visit joybyjanell.com right now to grab my free obsession spell. It is designed to work alongside this meditation to manifest them even faster. Don't leave your love life to chance. Go to joybyjanell.com and claim your gift. I also have other tools that are specifically designed to bring your person back into your arms permanently. Now go forth, be magnetic, and stay in the joy.